Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And yes, for our day two Ramadan recipe food idea, I will be making fried rice. So this fried rice, there's a secret there, or do I say this fried rice does not get spoiled? And the actual secret to your fried rice not getting spoiled on time is ensuring that the rice is actually fried properly, not boiling the rice and then mixing all the ingredients together. Ensure the rice is fried properly to the extent that the color, you can see the color change when you're frying, and at the same time you want to ensure that you fry all your ingredients. I'm talking about the carrot, the sweet corn, the green pea, the liver, and all. So for me, what I usually do first is to dice all of my ingredients and also ensure that the liver is well cooked. I dice it and then rinse the rice, add my butter, the vegetable oil, and start frying. So for this part, you can use your stock water if you have as many, like if the quantity is very very much, you can add all of it, and if not, you can also substitute using boiled water. I used boiled water. I did boiled water at the end of the day because the stock water that I have, it wasn't enough. voila, our fried rice is ready. You can eat this with fried fish, boiled fish, fried chicken, fried turkey, fried beef, just name it, anything. Eat it with your protein. And well, if there is no protein, you can eat your fried rice like this. It's also fine. And no big deal. So let me know, will you be giving this a try out? Will you be trying this? What do you think? Ensure you follow me for more videos and more food ideas, more recipe, and also see you some other time.